Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fawzia, subject mathematics, unit 1, set for class 7. Example of disjoint set. You know that disjoint set which have no common element between them, it's called disjoint set. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These elements belongs to set P, Q, it's a set Q, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These elements belongs to set Q. Okay, now it's our two sets. Our question is solve and explain with the help of Venn diagram. Okay, now we will solve it. First part, find P union Q. In union, we write down all elements which is given in set P and Q, write in ascending order. Now first we will solve it. First part, P union Q. Okay. Set P set P 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, bracket close, put the union sign. Set Q 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. Is it clear? Set P and set Q we find union. Union means write down all elements which is belongs to set P and Q, write together. Okay? P union Q 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7th is given. Now 8, 9, 10 we have, no, 10 we have only one time in set P, but in set Q we have 11. Okay, now I corrected 11. After 9, 10, then 11. Clear? Set P and set Q we find union P union Q. So we write down all elements which is belongs to set P and Q, write in ascending order. It's our answer. P union Q. Now we draw the Venn diagram. As you know that it's a disjoint set, so we draw two circles separately. Okay, we draw two circles separately. First circle represent set P, then second circle represents set Q. We write down the elements which is belongs to set P, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Correct? In second circle, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. All elements are different. There is no common elements. That's why we draw two separate circles. First circle represents set P, second circle represents set Q. Is it clear? But the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. That's why we draw the shade, color, vertical line, horizontal line. It's up to you. Draw the full shade in the circle, vertical line, horizontal line or dot. Okay? It's your answer. In short, your answer show your color part, or your color part of Venn diagram show your answer. 1 till 11 would be the answer of P union Q, as well as Venn diagram also show the answer P union Q. Finish first part. Second part, find P intersection Q. Intersection means just write down the common element which is between in the set. Okay, write down the common elements. P intersection Q, between them I think there is no common element. All elements are different. That's why answer null set. Okay, in intersection we just take out the common element between the set, but it's a disjoint set. It's a kind of disjoint set. There is no common element. That's why answer null set. It's a symbol of null set, or it's a set, it's a curly bracket, but there is no elements. It's called null set. It's a symbol of null set. So the answer of second part, P intersection Q. Okay, now we draw the two separate circles. First circle represents set P, second circle represents set Q. Okay, we write down elements which is given in the set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, but no need to color it, no need to draw a vertical line, horizontal line. Why? Because the answer is null set. Okay, that's why no need to shed color, vertical line or horizontal line. It's up to you. Apply vertical line, horizontal line for show the answer. So null set would be the answer of second part. Third part, P difference Q. P difference Q, put the difference sign. Right over here, P difference Q, elements of P, elements of set Q. Now, if we have common elements, same element, so we cut the same element. Remaining elements of first set, it means we find P difference Q. Okay, we find P difference Q. The method of find the P difference Q, cut the same element if we have. Okay, remaining elements of first set which we find it, so it's your answer would be the answer, but there is no common element. All elements are different. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 would be the answer of P difference Q. Okay, the method of find the P difference Q, if we have common element, so we cut it here. Now remaining elements of first set which we find it, P difference Q, this one P. So after cut the same element, remaining elements would be the answer, but there is no common element. That's why all elements which is belongs to set Q would be the answer of P difference Q. Point is clear? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 would be the answer of P difference Q. Now we draw the Venn diagram. As you know that it's a disjoint set. So in disjoint set we draw two separate circles. First circle represents set P, then second one is represents set Q. Write down the elements inside the circle. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. No need to put the commas. Okay. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. First set P, second set Q. Now show the answer. Answer is to this one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's why we draw the, it's up to you, draw the vertical line or horizontal line or shade or blue color or light any color. Okay, so shaded part show your answer. Finish third part. Now we start next. The next part, fourth one, Q difference P. Okay, third one is P difference Q, fourth one is Q difference P. So Q difference P. So first write down all elements which is belongs to set Q. So first we write set Q, then we write set P. Okay, same method, cut the same element, but there is no common element, that's why no need to cut it. Now remaining all elements which is given in set Q, we write down in the answer. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, all elements which is given in set Q would be the answer of Q difference P. Okay, we find Q difference P. So P, first we write down set Q, then we write down set P. It's necessary. Okay, now we draw the Venn diagram. Set Q, we find Q difference P. So first we draw set Q, then set P. Elements of set Q, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Set P, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, now elements of set Q would be the answer. That's why we will show the answer in this circle. Okay, it's up to you, draw the vertical line, dot, shade, color, it's up to you, apply anything. Next part, Q intersection P. In the second part we find P intersection Q, then Q intersection P. So first we write down elements of set Q, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Then we write down elements of set Q, set P. In intersection, we just take out the common element in the answer. For answer, we just write down the common element in PQ intersection P or P intersection Q. So there is no common element. That's why answer of this part also null set. Q intersection P. We just take out the common element, but there is no common element. That's why null set would be the answer. Okay, null set would be the answer. Without element, it's a set, but without element, without member, without number. So it's show it's empty set, null set. What's the symbol of null set? Clear? Same we draw the disjoint set, two separate circle. Set Q, first circle is present set Q, second circle represents set P. Write down the elements of set P and Q. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now there is no need to apply the color, vertical line, horizontal line in the circle or in the Venn diagram because the answer is null set. Okay, shaded part in the Venn diagram, shaded part, vertical line, horizontal line, yeah, dotted dot show your answer, answer show your Venn diagram, but your answer is null set, so there is no need to apply the color or shade Is it clear? Null set without color or shade. Correct Venn diagram? So Q intersection P, null set would be the answer of last part. Finish. Thank you so much.